a follow-up video to the Labneh that I made, which was the strained yogurt, which has gone thicker, which is kind of a bit more like cream cheese type of thing in texture. So I put it in some oil. I strained some yogurt, homemade yogurt, so it was a live yogurt. I strained it to get rid of lots of the whey, and then I put it in some bowls, and then I put it in some oil in a jar. So, and it's been on the shelf for a month. I didn't put it in the fridge because the olive oil waxes up, so it was just on the shelf, and I was just kind of curious to kind of see if it's still alright. We'll give it a taste test. Probably should have a nice out. We'll give it a taste test. Oh, I don't want to make a mess of the board either. We'll just play it as well. And I was also kind of thinking about this, and I was thinking that should I have added some salt to the Labneh when I made it, but then I was kind of thinking probably not, because I'm just doing something else at the same time, and I don't want it to boil over. So if I would have added some salt to the Labneh, or it might have killed the natural bacteria in the yogurt. And would that have affected how long it lasted? So kind of, is it still okay because of the live bacteria in it? And if I'd have added some salt to it, would have the salt have preserved it? So it's an either or type of thing. But anyway, let's give it a taste and an open. So it looks alright, and it's underneath the oil still. So that there, I didn't make a brilliant job of the quenelles, but you know, I was in a bit of a rush. Looks alright, smells alright. Put it on some celery, I think, so it's more like a cream cheese. And then we can always add a little bit of salt if we want. Yeah, it's alive. There's no bacteria or anything like that. So yeah, it worked, and it certainly keeps for a month. So I'll keep it in the cupboard, and we'll see if it lasts any longer. Well, yeah, it's nice with the old on. Let's get another one out, and then we'll just add a bit of salt to it and see if that kind of, well, that's kind of like, if it's sharp and it's a bit oily. It's quite a lot, is that? So we've got some pre-running salt, we've got a bit of pepper as well. So just a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of pepper. Oops. So with the seasoning goes in the olive oil, it's a bit like cheap mozzarella, a little bit. You know, it's like cheap mozzarella that it's not particularly very good quality, but it tastes a little bit like that. It's nice, it works, pretty straightforward. If you have lots of excess milk and you're making yogurt and you're worried about preserving the yogurt, you can always make some Labneh. There you go, a success.